Hello, good morning all of you. Today we will start with the exercise 7.3 third sum. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. That means you want to find out the area of the given triangle also and area of the triangle formed by the midpoints also. Okay. So first what you want to find out? You find out the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides. So here I suppose that D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively. So you find out the coordinates of D, coordinates of E and coordinates of F. After finding out D, E, F, we have to find out the area of triangle DEF also and triangle ABC also. Okay, triangle DEF also. First DEF area find out and area of triangle ABC also find out. So very clearly you know. Okay. So see here coordinates of A written and B and C written in the order. What I written here, D is the E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. So you can find out the coordinates of D. How can find out the coordinates of D? Apply midpoint formula. D is the midpoint of which line segment? AB. Therefore 0 plus 2 by 2 comma y coordinate -1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, you should want to write the formula of these all formulas writing, otherwise they will cut 1 mark. Okay, listen here, 0 plus 2 by 2, how much coming? 2 by 2, that means 1. 1 plus -1, 0. 0 by 2, 0. So you got the coordinate of D. And now find out the coordinates of E. Same midpoint formula apply. 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. So what is here? 2 plus 0 means 2 by 2. Here 4 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. 4 by 2 means 2. Similarly, find out the coordinates of F. F is the midpoint of which line segment? AC. Therefore 0 plus 0 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. All of you open your textbook and sit there. So pages are going upside, you can't able to see. See here 0 plus 0 by 2. That means 0 by 2 means 0. 2 by 2 means 1. So you got the coordinates of D, E and F. Okay. Now what is your method? Find the area of the triangle DF. Area of triangle formula also I didn't written here. You have to write for the exam. Okay. What is the formula? Half into, say, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Can see x1 1 into y2 minus y3 2 minus 1 plus x2, that means 1 into y3 minus y1, that means 1 minus 0 plus x3, that means 0 into what will come? Y1 minus y2. Okay. So only multiply and add and do complete. Okay, these steps are clear now? Yes. Here 0 into -2 means 0 only will come. So 1 plus 1, 2. 1 by 2 into 2. How much will come? 1 square units. So you got the area of triangle DEF. Clear? No doubts here now? Area of triangle DF you apply by the formula, and in the correct places x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 you apply in the correct places, you will get the answer 1 square unit. Now what is our aim? We have to find out the area of triangle ABC. That is also same method, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 knowing, apply here. Same half into x1 0 into y2 minus y3, that 1 minus 3, plus x2, that means 2 into y3 minus y1. Okay, 3 minus minus 1. This 2 minus coming, some students are 1 minus not writing, that is wrong. So already here middle one minus sign is understood there. So y2 minus y3. So you apply properly. Okay. And now here what will come? x3 is equal to 0. 0 into x. Here x3 coming. Here x3 coming, what will come here? y1 minus y2. So minus 1 minus this one. Okay. So 0, 1 minus 3, how much? Minus 2. 2 into 3 minus minus 1 will become plus 1, that means 4. And here 0 into minus 2. So 0 plus 8 plus 0. So half of 8, that means 4 square units. Therefore, you got the area of both the triangles got. Here only simple application, there is no magic. Area of triangle DF you got, area of triangle ABC is got. So your question is that find the ratio of area of DF and area of ABC. So here we are finding out the ratio of the areas. Area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 4. So you write in the form of ratio. Area of triangle DF is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. Okay, very simple sums. This area of a triangle formula is very easy to understand also. I given the technique for learning the formula also. Okay. Now next question, see. What do you want to find out? Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are given in the order. So you take the first vertex, second and third and fourth vertex. We given the name for the vertices. First vertex A given, second vertex B given, and third vertex C given, and fourth vertex D given. Okay, now any one diagonal you draw. Either you draw BD one diagonal or you can draw AC as another diagonal. When you are drawing this diagonal BD, you will get two triangles. So area of this triangle find out by formula. Area of this triangle also you find out by formula. For getting the area of this quadrilateral, you add the area of both the triangles. Are you got clear? Any cases area of quadrilateral, one question coming. Area of one triangle find out and area of the other triangle also find out. Then add the areas. Okay, clear? Got the method? Okay, listen. What we done here? We drawn the diagonal. Which diagonal? Diagonal BD drawn. And now for triangle ABD. So what is x1 y1? Minus 4 minus 2. x2 y2 is minus 3 minus 5. x3 y3 is what will come? 2 3. A, B and D. Okay? Apply formula. Here I have written the formula. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. So we can apply now. x1. What is x1? Minus 4. y2 minus y3. What is y2? Minus 5. Already middle sign minus. Then what is y3 coming? 3. And now x2 how much coming? Minus 3. y3 how much? 3 minus 2. Students, here only simple application, nothing else. So x3, what is x3? 2 into y1 minus y2. Minus 2 minus 5. Clear? So minus 5 minus 3, how much will come? Same sign. So add the numbers and put the same sign. Minus 8. And here 3 plus 2. 2 minus 2 together came now. So plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much coming? 5. 5 into minus 3 minus 15. Minus 2 plus 5. So what will come? 3. 3 into 2 6. See here. 32 minus 15 plus 6. So what you are getting? 23 by 2. Half of 23 means 23 by 2. Same way, you find out the area of which triangle now? Find out the area of triangle BCD. Okay, you can see. See here, for triangle BCD, I written B written, C written, D written. So this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Clear? Apply formula as it is. You yourself apply. Apply yourself and find out. Calculated? Okay. So what you got the area? Area of triangle BCD you got as 33 by 2 square units. So what's the area of triangle quadrilateral ABCD? How finding out? Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. What is area of triangle ABD? 23 by 2. What is area of triangle BCD? 33 by 2. Add them. How much will come? 56 by 2. 56 by 2, how much coming? 28 square units. Okay, copy the sum fast. Copy all of you. Completed? Yes. Move to the next question now. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas, and verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are given. So we can analyze the question. So in 9th standard we have studied that if AD is a median, you are getting two triangles. Now this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Area of this triangle and area of this triangle are equal. Understood what I said? So you have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So if AD is a median, the meaning is that the area of this triangle ABD and the area of this triangle ACD are equal. That we have to prove. We have to verify the result by using these vertices. What are the vertices of A? 4 minus 6, and the value of B is 3 minus 2, and coordinate of C is 5, 2. Okay? So if AD is a midpoint, so AD is a median. Median meaning I given. What is median? Median means median is the line segment joining any vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. Once more repeat. Median is the line segment joining any vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. Therefore AD is the median. In short, D is the midpoint of BC. So you find the coordinates of D. Find out the coordinates of D. So D is the midpoint of which side? D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So you can find out the coordinates of D. Which formula will apply? Midpoint formula. Okay? So midpoint formula apply. How can you find out? x1 plus x2 by 2. That means 3 plus 5 by 2. Are you getting 3 plus 5? How much coming? 8. 8 by 2, how much got? 4. And now here minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Minus 2 plus 2, what is coming? 0. 0 by 2, how much? 0. So you got the coordinates of D also now. Now you can see this here. This AD divides the triangles into two parts. Which one? One is triangle ABD and one is another triangle ACD. We have to show that area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ACD are equal. That is your question. So this AD is a median. This median divides the triangle into two triangles with the equal area. So you got that the value of D also, no? After value of D getting, you can find out the area of triangle ABD and triangle ACD easily. For finding out the area of triangle ABD, A knowing, B knowing and D knowing. So can find out the area. For area of triangle ACD, finding out A knowing, C knowing, D knowing. So we can find out. Start. Area of triangle ABD, find out. I written here A, B, D written in the order. So x1 half into x1. x1 written 4. y2 minus y3, that means 2 minus 0 plus x2. x2 how much coming here? 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 0 minus 6 plus x3 into x3 is how much coming? 4. x3 into y1 minus y2, that means minus 6 minus 2. That is 4 into how much? 8. 3 into 0 minus 6 means it will become plus 6. That means 3 into 6 will come. That is 18. And now 4 into minus 6 minus 2. Same sign. So add and put the same sign. So minus 8. 4 into 2 8. 3 into 6 18. 4 into 8, how much will come? Minus 30. Only one minus, no. So minus 32. Okay. So now add and subtract wherever you need. 18 plus 8, how much coming? 26. 26 minus 32. So how much getting? Minus 6. Half into minus 6. Half of minus 6, how much will come? Minus 3 square unit. So very clearly you have studied that area of a triangle is always a measurement. So it never will become negative number. So area of a triangle is always positive. Therefore what is the area of triangle ABD? Square 3 square units. Area of triangle ABD is equal to how much? 3 square unit. Similarly, you find out the area of triangle ACD. Start. Area of triangle ACD is equal to half into x1, that means 4. y2 minus y3, that means 2 minus 0. Plus x2, 5 into y3 minus y1, 0 minus 6. Plus x3, that means 4 into y1 minus y2, that means minus 6 minus 2. Please listen the minus, very important minus. Okay, one minus going, full answer is wrong. So here what will come? 4 into 2, 8. Okay. 5 into 0 minus 6, what will come? Plus 6. And 4 into, here minus 6 minus 2, how much? Minus 8. So 4 into 2, how much coming? 8. 5 into 6, how much coming? 30. 4 into minus 8, how much came? 32. Minus 32. 38 minus 32, how much? 6. Half of 6, what you got? 3. 3 square units. See here, area of triangle ABD, how much you got? 3. Area of triangle ACD, you got how much? 3. The meaning is that area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ACD are equal. Area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Therefore, what you can say, see once more the diagram. The median AD divides the main triangle into two another triangle whose areas you got equal. Area of triangle ABD you got as 3. Area of triangle ACD also how much got? 3. That only in your question asked. Verify this result for triangle ABC. So median of a triangle divides it into two triangles with equal areas. So you write the conclusion also last. Therefore what is the conclusion we written? Therefore, area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ACD, that is median divides the triangle into two another triangles of equal areas. I got clear? Okay, so this chapter is over. Now optional questions are there, hot questions. So in hot questions part, I am going to explain the first question. Listen the first question. First question, listen. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 divides the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2 and B 3 7. One line is there. What's that line? 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. This equation's line, the line representing this equation, dividing the line segment joining these 2 points. In which ratio dividing you want to find out. Okay. So in which ratio dividing we have to find out. So here listen. Determine the ratio in which this line dividing line segment joining these 2 points in some ratio. We are not knowing which ratio they are dividing. And as usual in your formulas you are studied no M1 and M2. So here also you take the same ratio. Let the required ratio be M1 is to M2. Required ratio what we are taken? M1 is to M2. Which point is dividing? See here. And the point C divides the line segment joining A 2 minus 2 and B 3 7 in the ratio M1 is to M2 with the line. Okay. So I drawn the diagram downside, you can see. This is the line segment joining the points AB. A 2 minus 2 and B 3 7. This is the line segment. This is another line. Our line is there no? Which line? 2x plus y minus 4 line is there no? This line dividing this line segment in the ratio M1 is to M2 at which point? At the point C. Point of division is what is C. The meaning is that C is a point on the line segment AB also. C is a point on the line L also. Which equation representing this line? 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Clear? So, first we can find out the coordinates of C. You can find out the coordinates of C. By which formula? You yourself think. By which formula? Which formula? Section formula. So, we can able to find out the coordinates of C by section formula. Can find out now? So, what is the formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Similarly, y coordinate how can find out? M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, can apply here. Coordinates of C are, you find out the coordinates. 1 minute I will give you for finding out the coordinates. Find out. You got the coordinates? Same. M1 into 3 plus M2 into 2. That means M1 x2 plus M2 x1. Apply here. Divided by M1 plus M2. Okay. Same way here. M1 into 7 plus M2 into minus 2 divided by M1 plus M2. So write in the order 3M1 plus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2. What's the y coordinate? 7M1 minus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the coordinates of the point C. But very clearly you knowing that this point is C lies on the line. This point C lies on the line. The meaning is that the coordinates of the point C will satisfy the equation. So what I written here, since the point C lies on the given line, if this point C lies on the given line, the meaning is that the points of C, coordinates of C, will satisfy the equation. Will satisfy the equation means in the place of x coordinate, in the place of x you apply the value of x. In the place of y you apply the value of y. That only you wants to do. Okay, apply here. 2 into what's the x coordinate? 3m1 plus 2m2 divided by m1 plus m2 plus, now in the place of y you apply the value y, 7m1 minus 2m2 divided by m1 plus m2 minus 4 equal to 0. Take the LCM. LCM take, to apply inside, 2 into 3 6m1 plus 4m2 divided by m1 plus m2 is there, 7m1 minus 2m2 divided by m1 m2. But if you here totally you are taken LCM also, total LCM I taken, see here, 6m1 plus 4m2 plus 7m1 minus 2m2 minus 4 into LCM taking this m1 plus m2 multiply here, 4 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. Okay, now all m1 all add together, 6 plus 7, how much coming? 13. 13 minus 4, how much will come? 9m1. Now 4m2 minus 4m2 will cancel, then what is remaining? Minus 2m2 equal to 0. Okay, now 9m1 is equal to what will come? This minus 2m2 shift here, 2m2. Therefore, m1 by m2, m1 by m2 how much will come? 9m1 is equal to 2m2 got no. Therefore, m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 9. Therefore, what is the ratio? Ratio is 2 is to 9. Okay, go through the sums properly once more. This is very important sum. Okay, here what is the line segments points, n points, which are they? A 2 minus 2 given and B 3 7 given. This is the line segment joining A and B, we are calling as line segment AB. This line segment AB divided by another line L. What is the equation of this line? 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. This line and this line segment both are intersecting in a point C. This point C divides the line segment joining AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. So what do you want to find out? Ratio of m1 and m2 find out. So first you find out the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C you will get in terms of m1 and m2 only. Okay, so you will get the coordinates of C. So coordinates of C, what you got here? Which formula we are applying here? Section formula. Which is the section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this formula you apply here for finding out the coordinates of C. So you found out the coordinates of C. So you got the coordinates now. Now very clearly you knowing that this C, point C, lies on this line also. Therefore these coordinates of the point C will satisfy the equation. In short, in the place of x you apply x coordinate, in the place of y you apply y coordinate, and then simplify them. Simplify. So here we are taken LCM and simplifying. After simplifying, what you are getting? 9m1 minus 2m2 equal to 0 getting. that is 9, m1 is equal to 2, m2 getting. Therefore, your aim is to find out the ratio. So, m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 9. You one time now multiply and see your ratio taken is correct or not. Okay. So, what is the required ratio? Required ratio is 2:9. Okay, students. Bye.